Oh, thank you. Can you dust the lamp? Dust it. Good job. Francis, can you help him? Barnes, are you dusting the floor? Oh, good dusting. Francis, can you help Barnes dust? All right, guys. Can you wave bye-bye? Wave bye-bye. That's good. Bye-bye. Smile. Is that your smile?